I wouldn't want to mess with him. The other one sat on the floor.
Trumpets are on.
它毛毛是这样子的吧？它的咕咪下了，小屁股。它在外面的，机器又变食物了。
这是谁的？Look at me with the funny eyebrows.
Yeah, baking powder.
You mean you want to buy it? You want to eat the egg?
There, you read there.
It's a southern Aswad. Yeah, it's a long water.
Ay, ay.
And I will be your guide today. And today we're going to discover birds from all over the world. But before that, meet my friend Durga. Hello everyone. Now I am a birder, which means I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Now Yomi, did you know that I have traveled from Scotland to Zululand and all the way down to Antarctica to see as many birds as I can in a single year? Well, Durga here, she's very passionate and also a little bit crazy. Hey, Yomi, I'm not crazy. Okay, I'm just kidding. Now share with us, how many birds have you seen? So last year, I saw about 700 birds. And this year, I would like to break my own record and see 1,000 birds or even more. Wow! Hashtag show off. Hey, why are you so mean today? Okay, now jokes aside, since you love birds so much, let us begin our adventure by meeting some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First stop, South America! Now we will be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride down the Tambo Plata River. You might see the footprints of a jaguar or even spot a red howler. Everyone look around you! Now you are in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet, right here in the Peruvian Amazon. And everyone, welcome to the Chuchu Play, where hundreds of birds gather every day to feast on clay. Now this play lake is one of the largest of its kind in the world. Everyone keep your eyes on the predators of Avian and Ferrari, Scarlet, Now macaws like them, they have sharp and pointy bills, which means they can eat unripe fruits. But there are toxins in those unripe fruits that are not good for the birds. So eating clay neutralizes the toxins. Now clay also has minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right, Yomi? Indeed, no upset tummies. Looks like Avian and Ferrari is still right up there enjoying their salty feast. Let's give them a big hand, shall we? Yomi, yes? I want to see more birds. Oh, more birds? Yes, so let's not stop. Let's keep going and head to Southeast Asia. Let's go! And everyone, welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise in Singapore. Now this park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 avian species. Oh wow! Look. Yes. There's more coming up. More? Yes, just look right up there! Wow! Look at them go! Okay, Durga, important question. So, was that enough birds for you? Of course not, I want to see more. More? Yes. See what I mean? Crazy. So, having said that, let us meet some special friends of the park. Everyone look left and right. Here comes our beautiful bird. Hello there. So joining here with me, I have Pelican, the green-winged macaw. Now green-winged macaws, they are one of the largest in the Parrot family. And Pelican here, he is about 10 years old. And with me I have Katie, our self-crested cockatoo. Macaws like Pelican can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. And can all of you see the yellow feathers on the head? That is called a crest. Sulfur is yellow and that's how these birds get their name, the sulfur crested cockatoo. That's right. Now these birds, they make false life and they make devoted parents. So they will usually take advantage of tree canopies, just like this one over here, to build their nest.
And they use nesting materials like tree bark, dried leaves, or even twigs. And they will drop it into the nestle. And if the nestle is too small, they will use their beaks to enlarge it. So everyone, let's watch them in action.
Alright, so we'll start with Katie first. Katie, ready? All the way there. Okay, let me try to help Katie out. Right here, ready? One slide forward. Whoa, good job. Okay, Keegan, it's your turn. Right over here. And touchdown. Okay, so let's show everyone how this is done. All the way inside. Ready? Okay, inside here. Alright, good job. Okay, one more. Now if you're wondering what goes on inside, everyone take a look at the screen. Ah, Nicholas, that's you. Very cute. Oh, and then we have Katie on the screen. Hi, Katie. Are you gathering more twigs? And one more. And there you go. Okay, with that, let's give it up for our beautiful birds as well as a wonderful trainer. Thank you.
Hey, is that a rooster? A rooster here at the park? Where is the rooster? There? Where? Oh, Yogi, look! There's the rooster!
No. Actually, the rooster is this one over here.
Yogi, I'm a birder and I know that that is an Amazon parrot, not a rooster.
So you're saying you don't believe me?
No, I don't.
Okay, you stand there and let me prove this to you, okay? Hi, do you want to show Durga here how you do the sound of the rooster? There you go, the rooster, loud and clear. You believe me now?
Okay, I believe you now.
Everyone meets Quincy, and that is Amigo, masters of mimicry. Okay, Quincy, how would you like to welcome everyone? Oh, he said more than welcome. Now Quincy said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's hear this one more time, shall we? Ready? Earlier. This time he's going to imitate the sound of a very fierce cat. Wow, very fierce, right? Okay, so high-tech sound now. I would like to show everyone here how you do the telephone. There you go, let's give it up for Quincy, everyone.
Parrots, they imitate calls and sounds made by their family members in the wild. So if they copy human sounds, they are basically doing what they hear around them.
That's right. In our case, Quincy and Amigo's family will be the Mandai star.
That's right as well. Now everyone, let's watch Amigo in action. Okay, let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello?
Hello.
You said a very nice and sweet hello. Okay, now he can say his own name. So tell everyone here your name.
Hello.
Just catch there. Okay, one more time. Your name.
Hello.
Amigo it is. Okay, Amigo, there are so many of them right here today. So how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
He's asking how are you? So how are you all doing today? Good? Wow, that's very nice to hear. Okay, now this time Amigo is going to sing. And he is going to sing a birthday song. So by any chance, anyone celebrating your birthdays today? Raise up your hands. Okay, let's start with this section. Okay, I see a couple of hands here and there. Over here. 1, 2, 3. Wow, so many of them. How about that section? Wow, okay. So this song goes out to all of you who are celebrating your birthday today. Ready, amigo? Let's sing. Happy birthday to you by amigo. And I must say, that was pretty amazing, right?
Indeed. But hold on, everyone. Quincy here is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in a million. Now, if you were to get yourself a pet parrot, you will usually end up with a bird just like Big John.
Hello, John.
It's too loud. Bye. Did you hear how loud that was? So please think twice. No. Think 100 times before getting yourself a pet parrot. And with that, let's give it up for Quincy and Amigo, our Amazonian parrot.
Each year, hundreds and thousands of these Amazonian parrots are sold in the pet trade, and as a result, they are critically endangered. They can live up to 50 years in captivity, and that is a lifetime commitment. So do you think that they will make good pets? Sadly, they won't.
That's right. So instead of getting yourself a pet parrot, why not come on down to the Bird Paradise instead, correct?
Yes, correct. So, Yomi, what's next?
Oh, Durga, right now we're going to meet a bird that is found right here in Southeast Asia, and that is the Oriental Pine Hornbill. Hello there. So everyone meet Orange, the Oriental Pine Hornbill. Now Orange here, he has a very heartwarming story. As a chick, he fell out of his nest and hurt himself. In the wild, Orange would not have survived. But right here in the Bird Paradise, he has been nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us.
Wow, that's very nice to hear. Now let me share more facts about hornbills. Now hornbills, they can only be found in Asia and Africa. Alright, and hornbills, they also have a distinctive feature over their beaks known as the cars. Now it can be a small, rich, or even big and brightly colored.
Wow, that's interesting. But Durga, is there anything else about the hornbill?
Yes, they are also great hoppers. So let's all watch Orange hop. Now hornbills, they have 3 toes upright with broad soles. And this helps them with the strength and stability to go up and down branches.
That's right. Okay, Durga, let me share with you one fun fact as well, okay? So another fun fact would be their tongues. So hornbills, they actually have a short tongue, but they're able to use it to toss it back into their mouth. So Orange, would you like to demonstrate that? Ready? And catch! Good job!
What a great catch. Now hornbills, they are also known to catch insects mid-flight. And we are going to demonstrate that to you as well. Okay, so anytime you are ready, 1, 2, and 3. Wow, what a great catch. And with that, everyone, let's give it up for Orange, our Oriental Pine Hornbill.
Alright, Orange, it's time for you to head back home. We have more birds joining us on stage, okay? All the way back to Trainer Sharif. Okay, it looks like he's looking around. Maybe he's seeing something here. Now right here in the Mandai Bird Paradise, we do have wild raptors circling around the skies, okay? So that might explain why he is very energetic right now. Okay, Orange. He's feeling very playful, okay? Orange, you need to head back home already. Ready to head back home? Cheryl is waiting for you. If not, Cheryl's gonna go home first. Alright, ready? All the way back. Okay, we'll just hang on for a while, okay? Alright, Orange, ready? Okay, looks like he is about to go home. Ready? Alright, there you go. Let's give it up for Orange, everyone.
hornbills, they have a unique nesting behavior. They like to nest high up on tree canopes, just like that one right up there. And right here in the Bird Paradise, you can see that nesting behavior without even leaving your seat. Up from the smaller oriental pied hornbill, everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Vicky, a great pied hornbill. Alright, once again, everyone, please remain seated at all times. Alright, the lady in yellow, please remain seated. Thank you very much. Great pied hornbills, like Vicky, they are one of the largest that can be found in Southeast Asia. Now in Borneo, certain villagers believe that if a hornbill flies over their village, they will be blessed with good luck. Interesting, right? Alright, now in a very short while, Vicky will be flying to that nest. Want me to check it out? Alright, now the female hornbills, they are very fussy about their accommodation. It needs to be spacious and needs to have a chimney so that they can escape if they want to. Oh, look at that, she's already in. Now what's inside, the male will then bring her mud, and then she will mix it with mesh roots or even her own droppings to create a strong seal. And with that, everyone, let's welcome her mate, shall we? Keep your eyes wide open, let's welcome Sunny, another great pied hornbill. So right now, Sunny is gathering food to feed the female hornbill inside of the nest. So this behavior will usually go on for about 3 to 4 months until the eggs are fully hatched. Okay, Sunny, hop a little. There you go. Now, if you cannot see this lovely gesture, not to worry, take a look at the screen, everyone. So right here, we have a female great pied hornbill checking out the nest cavity. Only if she likes it, she will hop right in. And in she goes. And right now, we have the male feeding the female through that small gap. Now this unique nesting behavior is shared with nearly all 62 species of hornbills found in the world. Okay, with that, Sunny, you've done a wonderful job. Everyone, let's wave and say bye-bye, Sunny! Okay, Sunny, whenever you're ready, home is all the way back there. And there you go, let's give it up for great pied hornbill! Now, hornbills, they are under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbills are being hunted for their calf known as the red ivory. So what happened to elephants are now happening to these beautiful birds. And that's why I'm right here at Mandai, because Mandai Nature supports conservation efforts to help protect these endangered species. And as a birder, I love to see all these birds out in the wild, and also right here in wildlife parks where they get the best care possible.
Speaking of best care, hello everyone! Hi! My name is Kelvin from Mandai Bird Paradise. My team and I work hard to keep our birds enriched, engaged, and active. In a very short while, we'll be introducing you to some more of our beautiful birds. But before that can happen, the birder and the guide have to be ready first. Are you ready, guys? Looks like we're all set. So keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome our beautiful cornea. There they are. Alright. So what they've landed on is an enrichment device. It is called a monkey fish. It is ropes tied into knots, and in these knots we have hidden trees for these birds to forage. These help them mimic the natural behavior as they would in the wild. Now corneas, they originate from South America. Once widespread, they are now sadly endangered. Over 800,000 of these birds are sold into the pet trade every year. Alright, where's one more, my friend? Oh, he's all the way there. Did you join your friends on the top? There you go. Alright, as I was saying, there are more corneas in people's homes than there are in the wild. These birds, as you can see, they prefer to stay closely packed in a flock. They wouldn't go anywhere without their friends. So please do not keep them as pets. Looks like they all made their way back together as a flock. So let's give them a big hand, everyone.
Thank you very much, Calvin, for sharing some insights about enrichment for their resident audience. Here on stage, I will need everyone's cooperation. Remain seated, as the bird will be flying very low above some of your heads. Once again, remain seated at all times and hands down, okay? Those of you who are leaving the sky amphitheater, please bear with us for just about 5 minutes, okay? Once again, remain seated and hands down. This is for your safety and the safety of our birds, okay? So can everyone do that for me? Yes? Alright, thank you.
Alright, and we are here to see a very special bird that can be found in lakes, lagoons, and ponds in Africa and Southern Arabia. What are we talking about? Our big-backed pelican.
Oh, there he is! Now these birds, they use their massive bill as well as small throat pouches to fish on the water. Interesting, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, once again, those who will be taking flight, please remain seated. Thank you.
Oh, Yomi, did you also know that pelicans can fly thousands of miles for 24 hours without even stopping? And that's because they are large but lightweight.
That's right. Now, large but lightweight. Now, these birds also have a huge wingspan, which measure up to 9 feet long, which is about this long, 9 feet. Okay, with that, it's time for him to head back home. And there you go. Let's give it up for Rose, our big back pelican.
Yomi,
Yeah?
before we carry on, can you help me push Miss Thumbs back?
Okay, let's do this.
Okay,
The back.
Alright, here you go. Birds, they are everywhere. They are social or solitary. They are loving and fiercely protective of their young. They are smart and agile. And that is why they are also known as one of the strongest creatures on this planet. And that is also why I love traveling across continents to see them. But Yogi, you know what will be great right now?
What?
To see birds from all over the world, right here, right now.
Well, Durga, I think your wish is about to come true.
Really?
Yeah, follow me that way.
아,